321 and 328.
The Honorable Minister has given a written reply. I have never seen such a cryptic reply of any ministry in respect of such an important issue. So cryptic, I cannot imagine that it can be. It is in such a serious matter. This is a cryptic reply. This is not a reply at all, Madam. For more than half a century, the Northeast has seen an unending cycle of violent conflicts dominated by insurgents, with demands ranging from outright sovereignty to greater political autonomy. Insurgency has taken a toll of thousands of lives, both of security forces and citizens. The roots of insurgency in the northeastern region are embedded in its geography, history and host of socio-economic factors. 98% of the borders of the region are international borders, pointing out to the region's tenuous geographical connectivity with the rest of India. While the population share is 3.90 crores in a mere 3%, but it is 1951 to 2001, it has gone to 200%. Madam, there are recommendations of the high-level commission contained in the Transforming the Northeast. This is a recommendation of the Central Government's Commission. And there are 8 recommendations are there. Northeastern Council should be implemented to fill the gaps in infrastructure in the region. A comprehensive framework to be evolved and put in place to promote the region as a preferred investment destination. A transport development fund to finance construction of important road corridors should be set up. Comprehensive implementation of Look-East policy, though relevant for the country as a whole, especially important for the long-term growth of the Northeast. The agenda for the implementation must be prepared in active association with the state governments. Rail connectivity has to be made. Madam, much greater efforts are needed to establish bank branches and other credit disbursement, and setting up of centers of excellence for professional and higher education in the Northeast. There is a need to make an in-depth study. And the border area, there are in the border area fencing in 50% area, there is no fencing still now. Madam, my question before the Honorable Minister, although I got a very cryptic answer, that whether the recommendations made by the high-level commission in respect of the Transforming the Northeast, whether the central government has gone through all these recommendations and steps have been taken. If taken, what are the steps have been taken? Supplementary much. I will not take much time in the second supplementary, I can promise.
Thank you.
Therefore, I am coming to the question, no background, that is it a fact that the central government has stopped the operations All Clear and operations Golden Bird, a joint military operations on the soil of the foreign neighbor countries along the northeast border to flush out the insurgent and militant camps? If so, what are the reasons caused behind the failure of the government to stop the repeated insurgency in northeastern region of the country?